Okay. My mom inherited from someone who inherited from a non-Muslim. Is her inheritance okay? Yes, your mom has inherited. Uh, your mom inherited from someone who inherited from a non-Muslim. So your mom, if she has inherited, who is that person? Is that person also a non-Muslim? If that is the case, then your mom is not eligible for it. That person can give her as a gift, but she has no right on the inheritance of the non-Muslim. But you are saying someone who was non-Muslim, he gave to that person. Now that person, if he is a Muslim or she is a Muslim, and then that person is, giving to your mom as like she is becoming her heir, then it is accepted, inshallah. Yeah, if your mom has inherited from Muslim, then definitely it is halal for her. It doesn't matter about the first person. That makes no difference. Your mom's case is because your mom is inheriting from a Muslim, that becomes halal.